Good morning to all of you friends. Today we are going to start a very important topic of statistics, which is useful for the 11th CBSE, 11th RBSE, first year, BCom first year, even statistical officers, first grade. In all the competitive examinations, this topic is useful, and statistics is always asked in all the national level or state level examinations. So today we are going to start statistics, and the topic is arithmetic mean. And हिंदी में हम इसे बोलेंगे समांतर माध्य. First of all, it is measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency is a simple average which represent the central value of the given series. So it is a type of measures of central tendency. There are mainly two types of measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency. There are two types. So measures of central tendency broadly classified into parts. First is mathematical averages, और हिंदी में से हम लोग बोलेंगे गणितीय माध्य. And measures of central tendency in हिंदी केंद्रीय प्रवृत्ति के माप. And the second one is positional averages. In हिंदी स्थितीय माध्य. Mathematical averages again further classified as arithmetic mean, simply denoted by x bar, and in Hindi it is known as समांतर माध्य और सिमिट्री माध्य. Second mathematical average is geometric mean. In हिंदी गुणोत्तर माध्य. And third one is harmonic mean. हरात्मक माध्य. These are the three mathematical averages, and there are three positional averages, which is first is median, in Hindi मध्यिका. Second one is partition mean, and third one is mode, in Hindi बहुलक. Median represented as M and mode is represented by J. Geometric mean represented by G and harmonic mean represented by H. These are the mainly types of the measures of central tendency, which broadly classified in two parts. One is mathematical averages and another one is positional averages, or in Hindi it is known as स्थितीय माध्य. Now the screen is visible. Second type is positional averages, स्थितीय माध्य, and first is median मध्यिका, second one is partition values, and Third is mode. In partition values, we have studied about quartiles. Second one is decile, and third one is percentile. There are also octiles be also, but mainly three partition values: quartiles, deciles, percentile. So the first topic which we study today, which is arithmetic mean or Samantar Madhya, or simply we say that Madhya. Let's start this first topic, Samantar Madhya or arithmetic mean. Simply, arithmetic mean is a simple average of measures of central tendency. Means, if we need to calculate average of a particular things like marks, average marks, now we calculate arithmetic mean. So first of all, what is the meaning of arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is simply simple average of a central tendency or of a given series. Means ये क्या है, एक औसत होता है. जैसे कि हमें कैलकुलेशन ऑफ एवरेज मार्क्स, हमें किसी क्लास की स्टूडेंट्स की किसी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट की अगर हमें एवरेज मार्क्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे, अरिथमेटिक मीन हम लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे. और सिंपली भी कैलकुलेट एवरेज और सिंपली वी कैन से मीन. सो कैलकुलेशन ऑफ अरिथमेटिक मीन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन इंडिविजुअल सीरीज. इंडिविजुअल सीरीज इन हिंदी व्यक्तिगत श्रेणी. So, first of all, how to identify the individual series? Individual series is that series which no frequencies are given. First of all, there are no frequencies in the series. So, only the single digits or single variables are given along with roll numbers, serial numbers, names, year, month, week. So this series is called individual series. There are no frequencies with corresponding variables. So first method in individual series for the calculation of arithmetic mean is direct method. In Hindi, प्रत्यक्ष विधि. So the formula in direct method for the calculation of arithmetic mean is x bar equals to sigma x upon n, where x bar represents arithmetic mean, sigma x represents sum of variables or items, and n represents number of items. So it is the basic formula of arithmetic mean. So how to calculate arithmetic mean in individual series? Let's see an example. Calculate average marks of the 10 students in statistics. Calculate average marks of the 10 students in statistics. हमें 10 स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स गिवन है, उनके हमें एवरेज मार्क्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं. सो मार्क्स आर 10, 10, 8, 7, 8, 9, 6, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one is 5. These are the marks obtained by 10 students in statistics. We need to calculate average marks of these students in statistics. So our formula of x bar is x bar equals to sigma x upon n. So first of all, we add these items. Sigma x1 means summation of these items, sum of these items. So we add these items: 10 plus 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus 0 plus 5. and divide by number of items. These are the 10 items, so n is 10. So divide by 10. Then addition of these items is 10 plus 10 20 plus 8 28 plus 7 35 plus 8 42 43 plus 9 52 plus 6 52 plus 6 58 plus 4 62 plus 5 67 67 divided by 10. Our answer is 6.7. Means the average marks is 6.7. if our total again check कर लेते हैं 10 plus 10 20 28 plus 7 35 35 over 8 43 plus 9 52 plus 6 57 59. Just wait. Yes, 67 is the correct total. So divide by 10, then answer is 6.7 marks. This is the simplest way for the calculation of arithmetic mean. It is the direct method of arithmetic mean. So hopefully the class is understandable for you or useful for you. If you like the class, if you like the material, then share with your friends so they also use their benefits by this class. So goodbye for today. मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में। जय हिंद जय भारत।